Hello, welcome to my game room that you have seen in all of my recent videos. Something that I really enjoy and kind of take pride in this room is the lighting situation. I really strive to go for like a cozy vibe here, and something funny about this room that actually really adds to the cozy vibe. That's a pretty good lighting tip for beginners, is that this room actually does not have an overhead light at all. It just doesn't have one, which is honestly kind of funny. By the way, this is an apartment that I rent, just in case you were wondering. But because this room does not have an overhead light, it actually gave me the opportunity to really embrace my lamps. I have not a problem, but I really do love having a ton of different light source options. I just wanted to show you all of them. I thought it'd be fun, why not? Also, it kind of works as a mini tour of this room. I'm gonna start over here. This is my main lamp. I'll turn it on here. I had it off because it's like 9 o'clock now, so I'm trying to take it easy. And that's the other thing about having all these lamps, is you've got options. But this is my main one. It's the first one that you see when I walk in through the door over here. And I've got it on this table that's just the perfect height for me to just reach in there and turn on, turn off easily. It's a great lighting source. It's my main lighting source. Usually if I've only got one lamp on to light up the room, it's that one. Works pretty well, nothing crazy. It's just got a normal yellow bulb. All of the bulbs are yellow. I'm gonna turn that off for now. I prefer the yellow bulbs for the cozy vibe. The white, like the bluish white lights kind of give me a headache. Although that's what we have in the living room. But it's a super basic lamp. Got it for $1 at Goodwill. And actually they had two, so I bought this one. And this one sits on my shelf back here. This is kind of a fun little area here. And something interesting about this lamp is it actually has a stained glass bulb. Now, I love these stained glass bulbs. I only got them this year, and it makes a massive difference. It's such a unique color scheme to kind of add to the room. Like you've got your like oranges, your kind of pinkish colors, unique. But it's also got like hints of green in there, and it's really fascinating. I used to just have just a regular yellow bulb like in that one. And I really didn't use this lamp all that often. This is definitely the lamp that I use the least, just because of the area that it is. It's kind of in this weird like cove back here because this closet was added in at one point, I'm thinking. It's in this weird cove, and also there's two windows in this corner, so during the day there's really no need for any more light coming out of this corner, but it's super neat to have, and I love it. And another good light source, candles, if you're able to burn them. Love having candles. I always sit them on this side table over here whenever I'm able to use them. And now this one's interesting. You might notice that I've got kind of a faux backlit TV going on here, and that's back here. This is my first salt lamp that I'm showing off here. It's not the first one I ever got, but it is it's the first one I'm showing you here. Now the reason I have this back here is because I had this room set up in a totally different way at one point, and I was running out of space for some of my lamps, and I had a salt lamp that I loved, and I just didn't have anywhere to put it except for on this TV stand behind, like kind of peeking out from behind TV. And I kind of just got used to it being there, and it's just like I feel like I couldn't imagine having a TV stand without like a subtle backlight to it. It's so cozy, and I really love it. So I kept my normal salt lamp, which I'll show you in a minute. And I just bought another one just because I had to have some backlighting to the TV here. And that's another thing that I'll talk about as I'm thinking about it. A lot of people go for like the LED like strips around like the edges of the room, and that's just not for me. It's not comfortable. It's like, it's too sterile. It's too, what's the word I'm looking for? It's just too much for me. It's not relaxing. It's too in your face, kind of. So this is, I'm sitting on the couch here now. This is kind of my view. You've seen it in videos, and it's pretty, I'm very happy with it. And now next to me is the stereo system, which on top of it, I have this Turkish lamp, which I am obsessed with. It actually has, if you'll allow me to reach back here, it's got 3 light settings. One is like a white light. Well, 2 are white lights, and then one is this orange light, which I prefer, obviously. But I've got this set with my tapestry that I got last year. And I think it's just so relaxing to sit here and look at this. I love this lamp. It's, my sister got it for me. Shout outs. And it's just so neat. Such a cool conversation piece, such a unique light source to have instead of just another run-of-the-mill lamp. It's something interesting, it's something new, something fresh, and I really love it for that. And it really fits the vibe of my stereo system with everything I've got on top. These all of these are fake plants, by the way, which I might have to make a video on those another time. But I love being able to add greenery and plants to the room, and without having to worry about like water getting in like my Xbox, for example, or my stereo system. And they're so neat to have. And right next to this is another lamp that I think I got this lamp. I think I just found it in my parents' attic, so I just took it. Again, for a while I just had a regular yellow light bulb, and then recently added a stained glass bulb, and it works so well with the Turkish lamp. It makes such a warm space, such an already warm space, even more inviting. And I mean, like, if I'm sitting here listening to music, I just want to be totally relaxed, and this lighting, this tapestry, everything just really just makes it happen. It's pretty sweet. You can get those on Amazon, by the way. Like I said, I'll have a candle here. This is a what's it called? I haven't used this in a while because we've got a parrot, and we can't light candles when he's at the house. And likewise, we can't. It's an oil diffuser, an essential oil diffuser. I couldn't think of the word. This emits like a soft light too, not to the same effect as a lamp, but it's cool to have just another source. But yeah, I can't use it that often. I've also got an incense holder, which will give you some light. And over here on this shelf is that original salt lamp I was telling you about. This one's super cool. I got this a couple years back, but it's super nice to have some lighting on the shelf. And it's also nice to have when I'm sitting here. It's nice to have some lighting behind me. Just so that way I don't feel like all of the light is coming forward. I've got some light behind me. It's easy going. And yeah, I mean, that's really it. I had fun showing you guys my lighting, and it kind of gave me a chance to talk about something that I normally wouldn't get to, that I actually did put a good bit of thought and effort into. I won't say perfecting. You can always improve things. But I really like the outcome I've got here. And that's about it. Thank you for watching this short little peek into just another aspect of my game room, my collection, just what I'm into. I really like getting a chance to show you guys stuff like that. So thanks. Take care.